Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming permissions and selecting a source so the app can access images. Open the app and tap the add or photo icon. Choose Camera, Gallery, Files, or Cloud to start. Make sure the file type and size meet the app's limits. If not, resize before uploading. Once you select images, watch for a preview screen. This immediate step gets you into the app's upload flow and prevents permission errors that block progress. Now you'll choose and prepare the photos for the app's context. Select one or multiple thumbnails, then use crop, rotate, or basic edit tools to match required aspect ratios. Add captions, tags, or metadata if the app supports them. This improves search and organization. You may need to compress large files. Use the app's compress option or an external tool. Once edits are done, attach or insert the images into the form, post, or gallery and confirm they display correctly in preview. Finish by confirming the upload progress indicator and reviewing the final preview, then save or publish. If something goes wrong, diagnose quickly. Check Wi-Fi or mobile data, confirm photo permissions, and verify file size and format. If uploads time out, retry after switching networks or reducing file size. Sometimes re-exporting as a JPEG at lower quality resolves issues. If the app still fails, force quit and reopen, or restart your device. Then attempt the upload again to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.